Restoring collagen in your skin naturally doesn't require expensive skincare products anymore. Collagen in your skin simply consists of tissues connected to each other which are responsible to make your skin look shiny, healthy and youthful. The amount of collagen in your skin is at its peak when you are in your 20s and is gradually declines by age where the cell's repair rate decreases. Today's video discusses how to restore collagen in your skin naturally. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. 1. Drink more water. Water works like magic when it comes to restoring collagen in your skin naturally. I know we are all tired of hearing that drinking 8 to 10 cups of water per day will nourish our skin and moisturize our body. However, water contains certain formulas that are able to enhance the formations of fiber, which are full of collagen and rejuvenate the cells of your skin. Water also has the ability to wash away your entire body from toxins, which can instantly restore collagen in your skin. 2. Vegetables to boost collagen naturally. All kinds of vegetables and especially red ones are extremely beneficial and has ability to restore collagen in your skin. Vegetables like tomatoes, bell peppers, red cabbage and red beets are loaded with antioxidants that act as a form of protection to your skin against aging. Guess what? Lycopene that is present in the red vegetable can also protect your skin from harmful UV sun rays that act as a natural sunblock. 3. Carrots to boost collagen. Carrots are literally skin food. Being packed with vitamin C, a glass of carrot juice per day can free the lack of collagen and boost your skin's elasticity, which aids in restoring collagen in your skin naturally. Carrots also promote a shinier, acne-free skin and can kiss scars goodbye. Wait, I'm not done yet. Carrots have the ability to enhance your skin tone and they make great ingredients for facials and masks. 4. Soy products. After researching the benefits of soy, turns out soy milk and cheese are very effective. Soy is particularly full of super powerful antioxidants that can actually block anti-aging and immediately restore collagen in your skin. It can also uplift collagen in your skin instantly. 5. Garlic to boost collagen naturally. Yeah, I am not its biggest fan either, but when it comes to collagen, garlic is the best to restore collagen in your skin naturally. Garlic is rich in sulfur and certain acids that can rebuild damaged skin fibers and gradually produce collagen. You can include garlic in your daily routine by adding it to your salad. Be comfortable in your own skin. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.